Unlocking the Art of Character Age Makeup. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that blends the worlds of beauty, art, and storytelling. Character age makeup. This technique is a cornerstone in film, theater, and television, allowing actors to transform into characters of vastly different ages. Our journey will explore what this term means, how it's applied, and why it's such a critical skill in the performing arts. So, whether you're an aspiring makeup artist, a language learner, or simply curious, stay with us as we uncover the secrets of character age makeup. Character age makeup refers to the specialized makeup techniques used to alter an actor's appearance to represent a different age stage. This could mean aging a young actor to portray them as much older or vice versa. It involves a combination of cosmetic products, prosthetics, and painting techniques to create believable age-related features, such as wrinkles, sagging skin, age spots, or even the youthful glow of a younger skin. In this section, we'll explore the tools and techniques behind character age makeup. Key products include foundation and concealers for skin tone adjustments, special effects makeup, such as latex or silicone, for creating wrinkles or other textures, color palettes for enhancing features like veins, age spots, and under-eye circles. Techniques are equally important, with artists often using highlighting and shading to sculpt the face and mimic the effects of aging, layering to build up the appearance of skin texture, detailing with fine brushes to add specific age markers like wrinkles or liver spots. Character age makeup does more than change how an actor looks. It helps tell a story. It can reflect the character's life experiences, their health, or even their emotional journey. This section will discuss how makeup artists work closely with directors and actors to ensure the makeup contributes to the character's narrative, making them more relatable and the story more engaging. Mastering character age makeup is not without its challenges. Makeup artists must understand anatomy, color theory, and lighting effects to create realistic age transformations. They also face practical challenges, such as makeup longevity under studio lights or the actor's comfort. We'll delve into how professionals overcome these obstacles, ensuring their creations withstand the rigors of performance. Character age makeup is an art form that brings characters to life, making them more authentic and compelling. It's a testament to the creativity and skill of makeup artists who bridge the gap between imagination and reality. We hope this video has illuminated the intricacies of character age makeup for you, whether you're a language learner, an aspiring artist, or a film and theater enthusiast. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating topics together.